I'm joined by Briggs. He's Harmony's CEO. Thank you so much for joining us today. Now, you've said that you actually expect the price of gold to go to $1,500 in the next 12 months. Now, of course, there are a number of factors. What is going to be the main prominent factor? Is it demand from China, or is it actually, the weakness of the dollar?
Two main factors. I think generally in the world of gold production, gold production has been going down. Exploration successes haven't been that great in the past few years. There's accelerated exploration happening now, but I don't think that'll bring quick returns. And of course, there's the whole financial situation in the world.
Now, Briggs, you've actually had to shut down some shafts, despite the price of gold increasing. Will you have to shut more shafts?
No, we won't have to shut any more down. We've done all the hard work on shutting down, and those shutdowns really happen because the ore bodies are really depleted. It's not just a case of shutting them down for other reasons. The ore body is really depleted, and then you shut them down.
I see. So do you have to look at shafts elsewhere? I mean, if I speak to you in 4 or 5 years, how much of your revenue will take place in South Africa, and how much of it will be diversified in other countries?
Well, we're working hard on diversification. We've got some great projects in Papua New Guinea. We've got a mine that's commissioned in Papua New Guinea. We're in joint venture there with Mining. We've got a large amount of exploration tenure as well there. So at the moment, about 92% of our gold is coming from South Africa, but we're working hard on diversification, getting more gold from outside. But having said that, we've still got some very long life mines here in South Africa, and we're building up production as well.
Now, Papua New Guinea, is there a chance that you will actually split it off to take full account of this joint venture?
I don't think we'll spin it off as yet anyway, because it's still very early stages. It's in pre-feasibility stage at the moment. It's got huge potential, and therefore we need to get more of that potential reflected for our shareholders before we do any sort of corporate action.
Labour prices is also something that your industry in general has to contend with. Have you been speaking to the unions? What kind of increase are you looking for next year? Are we talking about 15% in wage increases, or can it even be more?
Yeah, we obviously continue to speak to our unions, but we're not in wage negotiation period right now. That normally starts in probably towards the end of April next year. We've managed over several years to have 2-year wage agreements, and so next year, end of April, is when we start talking about wages. We've just come out of a 7.5% wage increase, which came into effect 1st of July this year.
Briggs, what happens if we do reach your target of $1,500 for gold? Are we going to touch 2,000 after that? So are you ruling out any talk about a double-dip recession? I mean, what's your outlook on the economy, and how is that going to impact prices 2 years down the line?
I think that gold has really established itself as a currency and as a store of wealth, and therefore it's probably the real true value of what we have, and therefore one should have gold in some form in one's portfolio. So that is one, I think, real fact of life we have here. And currencies are fluctuating all over the place, and further weakness in the dollar certainly will push up dollar prices of gold even further.
Briggs, thank you so much for speaking to us. Very